By your grace you called my name, pulled me from the ashen flame. Not by strength that I could bring, but by mercy from the King. You remind my heart again, all I am is in your hand. Not too small and not too great, just the measure you ordained. So I lay down pride and fear, every doubt that lingers here. You have given what I need, faith enough to follow thee. You gave the measure, you gave the grace, you placed your calling in my place. Not more, not less, but perfectly. The faith you poured inside of me. We are one body, different parts, one spirit beating in our hearts. I won't compare, I will believe the measure that you gave to me. Some will serve and some will lead, some will sow the living seed, some will speak and some will pray. Mercy lights another's way. Every gift from heaven flows, from the faith your spirit sows. No one stands above the rest, we are formed to fit your plan. Teach us now to see things clear, with a mind that's sober here. Every gift from you alone, every seed by you is sown. You gave the measure, you gave the grace, you placed your calling in our place. Not more, not less, but perfectly. The faith you poured inside of me. We are one body, different parts, one spirit beating in our hearts. I won't compare, I will believe the measure that you gave to me. No striving, no competing, no throne that I must claim. You are the one who gives it, you are the one who reigns. One faith, one spirit, one Lord over all. You placed us where you want us, we answer to